In this video, we shall be looking at initial exchange offering, that is IEO. All right, what is it all about? Many of you must have been hearing about IEO, all right, as the abbreviation stands. It also stands for initial exchange offering, that is the cryptocurrency exchange equivalent to a stock launch, or actually an initial public offering. So it provides a more secured alternatives for potential investors to buy tokens during the fundraising phase with funds directly from their exchange. All right. So if you have if you have some money in an exchange and that platform or that exchange platform decides to launch a project, you'll be able now to use the funds that you have in the exchange to acquire the initial offering of that token inside the exchange. So it's all about using money that you have in the exchange to purchase a project that this exchange platform is about to launch. So IEO is actually initial exchange offering. All right, so that is it. Okay, so we shall move a little bit further to look at something like pre-mined. All right, pre-mined, because these are all similar things, but they have a little bit of differences. What is a pre-mined project? These are coins or tokens created by a project. It is usually done also to raise capital to reward the team or those early investors and also the public. So you might hear sometimes they say coins are being mined. Sometimes those coins are being mined by doing a certain activities. You know, you can stake some, you can have some, or early investors that comes in, they will actually have a greater quantity of this. So pre-mining is a similar practice to selling a stake in a company to employees before the enterprise goes public via the initial public offering. So if you go to our normal companies that we have out there, you hear about IPO, which is actually the initial public offering. So this is the same thing with pre-mining in cryptocurrency. You find those investors coming in, putting their monies, and gets a kind of share in that project. And when this company finally goes live, they must have accumulated a greater share in this company, and that is when they will begin to sell or take this project to the next level.